Alright, so I hadn't filmed me harvesting nothing this year so far that I can remember. Um, so I'm harvesting potatoes. I'm just taking this and throwing it over there to get it out the way. When you grow potatoes in tires, I think it's easier to grow potatoes in the ground, to be honest with you. But I do it what I can. And mine actually grow well in these. It's just the harvesting that sometimes becomes the issue. Look who showed up. The potato dog. She does like potatoes. But if you can see, I found my first one. Not huge, but it's really a pretty color. Look how pretty that is. So, needless to say, these are purple potatoes that I'm harvesting. And I'm going to see how much I can harvest. Hopefully, there's another one. Hopefully the mosquitoes won't eat me to death. It's actually kind of cool today. It's supposed to rain. It already rained once, but it was a tiny little sprinkle. Nothing to write home about. Iris, you better not be eating no frogs over there. That tiny little one. Well, all the tops of these were completely dried up and dead. I was supposed to come out here and get these things a while ago, but life kept getting in the way. But today I want to make a potato and kale soup. So if I want to eat, I better harvest these potatoes. Actually, I planted these a lot lower. So I'm actually surprised to be finding potatoes up this high because the soil was all the way to the top of this tire. This tire is almost empty, as you can see by the sidewall over there. And you know, they always say, oh, well, when you heal potatoes, you don't get any more potatoes. You might get some more roots, but you won't necessarily get potatoes. Well, I thought that was the case until I actually, I'm eyeing it's a bug over there and I'm eyeing him. He's dead now. Anyway, sorry folks, I can't with the bugs. Can't with the bugs. Huh? See, I didn't plant these up this high, but I have potatoes up here. So, ooh, roly-poly bug, a really, really little one. Can you guys see him walking? See him walking there? He's trying to run from me. So, I mean, maybe it depends because I planted these potatoes way deeper than this and I'm surprised to be getting potatoes up this high. I'm grateful, surprised. So I don't know. I'm not going to say that you absolutely get more potatoes because see, I'm going to show you. See down here where we're getting some bigger ones? This is down where I planted them. I don't know if y'all can see these little fibers here. That's the stem that actually broke off. So now we finally getting down to where I planted them. But I've already got 4 potatoes. Don't count that tiny little 5th one. That came out of this other tire over here. I had a little potato that I missed last year. And it decided to grow one tiny potato, which I wasn't too worried about it. I just when it came up, I just let it grow. It's not a big deal with me. I'm kind of gardening by the seat of my pants. Acorns. Bane of my existence. But anyway, see, here's another one. Now these are supposed to be purple, but I'm seeing that these are pink. The other ones were purple. So I'm not exactly sure what that means. Now over here, I thought that was the original potato that I had planted, but no, it's leaves. Oh, let's keep going. See what I mean when you got a pitchfork and all that? It's easier to, it's a little bit easier to harvest potatoes. No, this is okay. I'm not dying. Once again, supposed to be purple potatoes. Now all I put in the ground was purple ones. But amazing how I got all kinds of other stuff. See? Here's another one that's not purple. Well, my soup is going to be colorful. I thought I was just going to have the purple potatoes in the soup, but I think I'm going to have every color, y'all. Here's another. Maybe I left some potatoes in the ground or something. That's why I'm getting some of these other colors. To be honest with you, the harvest ain't the greatest out of this. Here's another purple. You know what? This might not have been purple. I had a bag that was mixed. It was purple, red, and like I guess you could say Yukon Golds. Maybe that's what I planted in here. Because to be honest, I may have forgotten. It's been so long. These have been in the ground since it was cold. I'm trying to remember when I planted them. I want to say January. There's some roots to a purple one. The oak trees, roots get in here so bad. I think a lot of times the roots from the oak tree steal all the nutrients from the plants. That's why sometimes it's kind of hard to grow. But you got trees that, because the roots from the trees seem to just steal everything. Look at that. I almost got away from it. That was in the dirt that I threw up. I almost got away from it. I saw some roots over there, which is what made me check back, because those are the potato roots. Made me check that to make sure. I don't know what Iris is doing. I'm bound to stab one doing this. Bound to. Look at that. That's a piece of one. There's one in here somewhere. Got you. Stabbed you a little bit, but that's all right, because you're going to get cooked tonight. Foot's itching. See, I'm digging down where I planted them at now. I don't think it's gonna be too many more. Well, just as soon as I thought that. That's how it is with potatoes. soon as you think, oh, I got them all. Nah. Think again. Pieces of charcoal in here. Boom. Some more. Put it out. Not that big, but I'll take you. You'll eat. You'll eat. Acorn. This stuff flying around my head, I don't know what none of this stuff is. I hope it don't bite. I'm sweating like I'm going to the electric chair. Oop. I don't even see where the original potato was. No, usually you find that gooey ball. I guess it must have broke down a long time ago. I guess. I think I really am through this time, y'all. Ain't seeing nothing else. Whew. When I tell y'all I'm sweating like I'm going to the electric chair. Y'all see that sweat running down? Oh, this is pitiful. Okay, we're gonna jump over there. Since those stems are dead and Iris, eat me a path. Eat me a path down through there. Since she wanna look, she's like a jungle predator. I mean, this sweat is just rolling on. You have to get those real soon. And I hate it because now there they are. I need to get those potato berries off. Some of those have fallen. These I thought had potato berries, but I may have lost them due to this stuff falling. But anyway, I ain't gonna show me digging this one. What I'll do is I will show you what I collect all together. That's what I collected. I did get more than I planted. I think I planted one of each cover. So, yeah, you know, it's all right. My harvest last year was better, but whatever. I'm grateful for what I get. I planted more potatoes this year, so, I mean, I'm going to get something. But I'll come back and show you what me and Iris got. She's been chasing toads today. But anyway, I'll be back.